Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we will show you how to use FlexClip AI Image Extender. Log in with your FlexClip account first. Then, you can click to preview this photo or change the image. Next, choose a suitable ratio and the target number of images. On the canvas, you can drag to move the image and zoom in or out to adjust the extended position. Once finished, click Generate. A few seconds later, you'll get a stunning new image. Hover on the top right corner to download this image directly. Click this image, and you can choose to download it or use it to make a video. You can also click the share button and post this image on Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr. Copy the link, and you can send it to anyone or anywhere. Back to the creation page, click History, and you can find all AI-generated images here. Also, you can choose to download or delete photos freely. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.